Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my video. In this video, we are learning how to download Facebook videos on your Android gallery. So let's get started. First, you have to download video downloader, this one. Okay, so find that videos you want to download. For example, I will download this one. So just tap on these three dots and tap on copy link. When you copy the link, then go to the app video downloader and you can see the search bar on the top. Tap on it and paste the link and go, and then tap on this red button. Tap on it and you can see audio to 240p and 480p. Fast download. You can see it is download. So I will show you in the gallery. As you can see, this is the video I just downloaded from Facebook with just one click. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video.